insane story for you guys. We got this BMW 2018 440i with one of the worst exhaust systems we've ever seen. This is done by some random shop in Miami, but we're here to fix it. Look at this mess, guys. This fits like crap. It's just not sitting in the right place. The hangers are all broken. The welds are not even done. You can see it's half welded right here, half welded right here. This is garbage. I mean, I don't know what this kid paid for it, but it's just not right. This is why you don't just go to some random exhaust shop in Miami and get your exhaust done. You gotta come to this specialist, guys. So this is Andy. This is his BMW 440i. He went to a local shop in Miami, and this is what they built him. Crappy welds, no hangers, no support, no fitment. So here's the plan. We're giving Andy's BMW a brand new 3-inch custom exhaust system, single exit with a 4.5-inch carbon fiber tip. The G Exhaust team is working their magic, and it's already looking incredible. Say goodbye to this horrendous exhaust. Andy's BMW 440i is back to being a beast that it was meant to be, thanks to G Exhaust. Moment of truth has arrived. Andy, you ready?
Yes, sir.
So if you're looking for a custom exhaust system, now you know where to come, guys. It's G Exhaust, baby. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more crazy transformation videos, follow G Exhaust, guys.